Today we're going to work on 1.2, which is, it deals with the volume of a cylinder. So if we have a rectangular prism, then volume is actually pretty easy. We need to find the area of the front. So if this was 4 and 5 and 10, what's the area of the front? So 20, and let's say this is centimeters. So the red area would be 20 centimeters squared, which means, if we count up all the little boxes, I'm really bad at drawing. There are 20 squares that are 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, so the area would be 20 centimeters squared. And then when we add another dimension, we're going to take that front face and we're going to stretch it 10 centimeters away from us. So we multiply this by 10 centimeters, and I get 200 centimeters cubed. What is a cubed centimeter? Well, so this shape right here, oh, that's a really bad job. Nice work. Anyway, there's a cube right there that is 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. And if I were to add all of those up, there would be 200 in that shape. Okay. So what if I had a pipe? And let's say the radius was 10 inches and the length of the pipe was 20 inches. So I need to find the area of this. What formula uses area? Pi r squared. So the area would be 3.14 times, is that radius? Oh, sorry. I said radius and I drew the diameter. So I meant 5 inches. I'm sorry, guys. Squared. So that ends up being 78.5 square inches. And then we're going to stretch that area out 20 inches. So I times this by 20 inches, and I get 1,570 inches to the third. And it would be hard to draw blocks and fit them inside of that, but the area inside that cylinder is equivalent to 1,570 of those 1-inch cubes. Okay. So this problem is exactly the same. You have a diameter and you have a height. How much wax is it going to take to make 120 candles? So my radius is 4 and my height is 3. So 3.14 times 4 inches squared. That will give me the area of the top. And then I multiply that by 3 inches. 3.14 times 4 squared times 3 is 150.72 inches to the third. What does this tell me? That's the volume of wax necessary to make 1 candle. And the goal is to make 120 candles. So I times that by 120, and I get 1808.64 inches cubed. Does that make sense? Okay. The next problem wants you to look at some three-dimensional shapes and figure out what shapes are you looking at? So this one would be a cylinder and a cone combined. What would a mailbox be? A half cylinder and a rectangular prism. Okay, and then this one would be a sphere. Anyway, that's pretty easy. Okay, volume of the tank. That's the same that we just did. There's supposed to be 4 of these. How come? Oh, it only says 3. What if it said I have, let's say the volume of this is 105 square feet, and I have a lake, or cubed feet. I have a lake that holds 12,000 cubic feet of water. How many of those cylinders can I fill up with that amount of water? What would you do? You take the 12,000 and then you would divide it by 105, and I'd get 114.28, which we would probably round down to 114. Okay, get to work.